Now, I'm going to be using 4 new beauty products. Hey everybody, it's NURYS'S and this is Accidental Beauty Blogger. Woo! Today I'm putting together a soft glam look for you. I think it's gonna be the best look that you could do for a girl's night out. So if you're going out with your ladies, you're having some wine, you gotta look good in the face. You know what I'm saying? Now I'm going to be using 4 new beauty products that I've never seen or used before. Also, do not forget that at the end of the episode, I'm gonna be putting the ultimate must-have product inside this bag. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna keep it all for myself. Get it, get it. Okay. Woo! Yes, we got Fenty Beauty. You know me, I love me some Riri. Guys, so this is a Fenty Beauty Snap Shadows Mix and Match Eyeshadow Palette. Deep neutrals. Yo, I'm gonna be looking so good tonight. Now, these are the colors that you wanna do for a girl's night out. Looking at this palette, I have some shimmer and I have some matte. So I'm gonna mix both together because that's the girl that I am. I think I'm gonna go with the lightest one, which is this one right here. Oh my God, I feel like I'm Rihanna. I know. Put a Rihanna next to me. Hey girl! I'm using a palette. Okay. So I'm gonna go in with this orange right here and I'm gonna put it on my crease. So now I'm gonna go in with that dark brown and I'll put that in my crease as well. And here we go. It's good travel size palette. And it's Riri, so you're traveling with Riri. Soft and glam. That's what we going for. Now I wanna add a little sparkle, so I'm gonna add this brownish shimmery color right here. Ooh, yes. Sometimes I wanna kick it up a notch, so I'll go in my bottom lid and put the darkest color that I use, which is this brown one. It looks more natural than eyeliner when I do this, so I really like it. Yo, thank you, Ree. Thank you. No, that was so close. Yeah! So this is the Rosé All Day Set and Glow. It's an illuminating powder and dewy balm. I really do not know what to do with the dewy part. Basically, you put on this little blush, this illuminating powder, and then in order to enhance it, you go and put this nice dewy thing on top of it.
Did you figure that out?
I read it. Says it in the back. First of all, this smells delicious. It definitely has some rose extract on there, and you can smell it from like far away. So I'm switching it up. I decided to put this first instead of the powder. So I think it gave me like a very subtle glow, nothing too crazy. So now I'm gonna go in with this beautiful illuminating powder. Oh my God, this smells so good. Look at me looking all glowy. Look at me looking all lit. Okay, so we have another Physicians Formula product, yes! This is the Rosé Kiss All Day Glossy Lip Color. Since I'm going with a brown soft glam look, I'm going to go with this one. I like that. So this actually has rose water, which is amazing for you, amazing for your lips, amazing for your body, amazing for your soul, amazing for everything. Honestly, rose water is the How is that even possible? Like, it literally feels super hydrating, but I know it's matte, I can feel it. Okay, so this is the Neutrogena Radiant Setting Spray. Wow, I didn't even know that Neutrogena had a setting spray. This is pretty dope. And apparently, Nicole Kidman wore this to the Critics' Choice Award. And I love when a celebrity wears a drugstore product because it means it's good. I'm looking glowy and I'm looking fabulous. This is what I want. Oh my God, look at my face. All right, guys, so this is the finished look. I am ready for my girls' night out. But before I go, it is time for the ultimate must-have, and I have to go with Fenty Beauty. I love these mix and match eyeshadows. I think this palette is a go-to, and you have to keep it in your bag. So that's why I'm putting it in my bag. So good. It just feels so good to have Rihanna next to me. Rihanna in my bag. You know what I'm saying? Rihanna in my face. Look, she's right here. She's in the eye. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go back to work before I go out looking all good and stuff, but please do not forget to subscribe to Yahoo Lifestyle, shop these products down below, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye!